Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve remove every kth node. In this question we are given a linked list, okay, along with the value k, and we have to delete or omit every kth node in the linked list nodes. So in this question, example 1, value of k is 2. So we will skip every kth or every second node. So we'll start from 1, then 2. Now 2 is now k here becomes 2. We'll omit it. Again, k now becomes again resets to 0. Come to 3. Okay, k is 1, not 2. At 4, k is 2. We'll remove it also. So we'll remove 2, 4, 6, and 8. In the end, we will be remaining with 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3, 5, and 7. Similarly, in example 2, we are given a linked list of 10 nodes. We have to omit or remove third node, every third node. So we'll get 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10. We removed 3, 6, and 9. How we'll do it? Very easier approach. Okay. We will traverse, and as we do, we will point to the next node whenever and we need to omit it. First of all, I'll create two variables, three variables, previous and current. Previous and current, a dummy node, initially a dummy node, and previous of next should point to head, so that it starts from the very beginning. Start from the very beginning. And apart from that, I'll create a count variable. Count variable. You'll keep the value of keep check of whether we need to delete this particular node or not. Okay. Now we'll again reiterate why I kept previous.net next equal to head, so that this will link this dummy node to the start of the list. Now the count variable to keep track of all the nodes which we have traversed and keep track of whether we have reached value of k or not. We will iterate using the current node, while current dot next. Cool. Now if count is same as k, if count is same as k, next of current should point to next of current of next. That is what we do when we need to delete a particular node. Current is current element, but the next of current should not point to the next of it, but next of next. So in this case, we omitted the next of current. Okay, because let's say 1, 2, and 3, there are three elements. Now one is pointing to 3, and in this way we have omitted the second node. Again, reset the count to 0 so that it will keep moving ahead. If if the count has not reached, if the count has not reached, okay, then it will move to the next node as usual. Move to the next node as usual. Okay, and similarly append the value of count by 1, so that it will get much more closer to the k variable. Okay, at the end we will return previous dot next. At the end we will return previous by dot next. Why? So we have, now that we have traversed the entire list, we are returning the head of the modified linked list, which is previous dot next. Modified linked list, which now that after excluding all the kth node. Let's see. As you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly and in very less time, just half a second. So I hope you learned a new concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.